Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Today's video is about Facebook marketing. In the early years of social networking, MySpace was the big name. It surged to 100 million users between 2003 and 2006, and by June 2006, it was even more popular than Google. Then there was Facebook. By 2008, Facebook had exceeded MySpace in terms of global users, and a year later, it had eclipsed MySpace in terms of US users. As MySpace's popularity waned, it peaked at around 25 million users in June 2012. Some businesses pondered if they should invest heavily in Facebook advertising, fearing that it, too, would be supplanted. Perhaps, but in the meantime, Facebook has topped 950 million users, with roughly 145 million in the United States, accounting for about 43% of the population. It is the most frequented website on the internet, aside from Google.com, giving businesses unprecedented access to potential customers. What is Facebook marketing? Facebook marketing is the process of creating a Facebook page and actively using it as a communication channel to stay in touch with and attract clients. Facebook openly encourages this by allowing users to create personal profiles or business pages for businesses, organizations, or any group aiming to build a fan base for a product, service, or brand. Who implements Facebook marketing? Every business should use Facebook since it has nearly 1 billion potential clients. It's just as important as having a company website, and it's a lot easier to set up. Whether you work for a large corporation or a small company with a few employees, you can assume that some of your clients are already on Facebook. Facebook marketing is commonly utilized by brands, food, gadgets, home goods, restaurants. Virtually any business may be promoted on Facebook, converting inactive customers into active followers who keep up with promotions and advancements and share with their own friends. Businesses in the area. A Facebook page can be utilized to convert a local client base into a fan base that visits your store more frequently, whether the business is family-owned or a franchise of a larger corporation. Personalities. Musicians, celebrities, authors, syndicated columnists, and anyone else who makes a living by being famous wants to be known by as many people as possible on Facebook. Organizations that are not for profit. Charities, political parties, and public service campaigns can all benefit from Facebook's built-in sharing features. How is a Facebook marketing campaign developed? Facebook pages are often linked to company web pages elsewhere on the internet. Therefore, it's often a good idea to use some of the same information in both places in order to maintain a familiarity. A business page can be searched for as soon as it is up, but unlike a personal profile, you cannot invite friends through it. Business pages do not get friends, they get fans, and that distinction does make a difference. Consistency of communication is the most critical part of Facebook marketing. A business will gain nothing by creating a Facebook page and then leaving it alone. To gain fans, a company should produce new information on a regular basis in a variety of formats so that more people view and share the page. Content can promote upcoming promotions, highlight certain products or persons, share fascinating facts, offer incentive codes for product and service discounts, and anything else that would pique followers' attention. Thank you for watching. Press the bell icon and subscribe for